AI video generation has come a really long way. I mean, do you remember when we first were introduced to AI image generation and how bad it was in the beginning? And in a very short amount of time, it has improved significantly. I believe that's what's happening with AI video generation now. It started off a little slow, but the quality and the image that you get now from different models is just amazing. Today, I'm going to show you how I managed to create these videos using AI with little to no experience, and to be honest, with no real creative background as well. In addition to that, I'm going to be comparing different AI tools that you can use for video generation so that you can determine which one you think did the best job. Let me show you what I mean. Now, I know I don't have the creativity to envision these scenes and to be able to describe exactly what I want the scenes to look like. So what I like to do is use Claude AI to come up with a video prompt for me, and I can then edit to however way I want, or maybe just use the prompt that it came up with. So I have Claude open here, and I'm going to prompt it to say, write me a video prompt that will create a seamless transition shot where this character is the hero of a scene where a girl is intimidated by 3 people and he uses martial arts to win the battle. And I'm going to then attach a picture of the character that I want to use. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, this is a character that I have saved in my platform that I use for character consistency. So after I prompted it, it came up with this prompt. And as you can see, it gives me shot by shot the description of what it looks like, and it even describes the effect that it suggests the video to have. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this and then just feed it right into the video generating platform. The platform that I'm using is higgsfield AI, and it gives me access to a lot of the most recent and powerful models for AI generation, like the most recent Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, Sora 2, and Google Veo 3.1. And those are the 4 tools that I'm going to be comparing to feed it the exact same prompt that Claude AI just gave me and see what the output looks like.
You okay?
Yeah, thanks.
You're safe now.
I don't know about you, but I would say hands down, Seedance 2.0 was my clear favorite and winner in my opinion. The motions of the character were really realistic, and the final product was very entertaining to watch. And Veo 3.1 was just almost laughable. The motions were very unnatural and awkward, and it just seemed very amateur as an output. And I'm not so sure why Kling 3.0 didn't come up with an audio, but it would have been nice to hear some audio with the video. Another way you can use this tool is to create marketing videos. So I've gone onto the IKEA website and just grabbed this photo of this particular vacuum flask. And then I'm going to ask Claude, write me a video prompt that will create a seamless transition shot where I'm creating a professional commercial for this IKEA product. And I'm going to add the picture. So it came up with the prompt like it did before, but this time for a commercial. And I'm going to feed this prompt without any editing, and I'm just going to feed it straight into higgsfield and see what it comes up with. So just as an experiment, I wanted to see what all 4 models would come up with the same prompt, but different engines, asking it to come up with a commercial video for this particular product. After seeing all the videos, you can decide which one you thought was the best one. I personally thought Seedance 2.0 was, again, the clear favorite. I mean, what's funny is that the one that Sora 2 came up with doesn't even look like the product. Whereas in Seedance 2.0, it almost gets the name of the item correct. Nowhere did I ever mention what the name of the vase was. It managed to be able to find that information and almost get the name correct. It was incorrect, however, but that's probably easily corrected with a simple prompt. If you're not looking to create professional grade commercials, but you wanted to have more of a relatable UGC type commercial, you can also try and do that using a new prompt asking for a UGC video as well. So using the same prompt and the same method using Claude, I generated UGC type videos for the same product, and this is what came of it.
So this is the water pitcher that I've been using every single day. It has a 5-stage filter system with activated carbon. I just fill this up every morning and it's good to go. I use this for my coffee, my tea, and even my plants.
Hey everyone, I've been testing out this pitcher for a week now. The build quality is solid like this. It's great for your cards organized and safe. At a coffee at the commute shop, you can access things quickly. And for travel, you can tuck inside your jacket. It's lightweight and looks new after daily use. Definitely a keeper.
I use this every single day. It's incredibly durable and feels amazing to the touch. The quality is just...
You guys keep asking where I got this pitcher. It's my favorite kitchen find. It's lightweight, but the walls are thick, so it stays cold for hours. The matte finish feels premium and it cleans up in seconds. I keep one in the fridge for lemon water and another for iced coffee.
As you can see, different models are not all equal. They are created very differently, and I would say they're at different points in the race. But as you can see, that it has come a really long way in a very short amount of time, kind of like what AI image generation was like, but in video. Now, despite what your thoughts were on which model you thought generated the best videos, the good news is that the platform that I used, higgsfield AI, gives you access to all 4, if not more models that you can play around with, so that you have access to any of your favorite models that you want to use. And if you've been wanting to create AI generated videos, I highly recommend higgsfield AI. Not only does it give you access to a lot of the top AI video generation models, but it also gives you access to image generation models and audio and a lot of other tools that may not be available in other platforms or that you would have to pay for individually. And if you've been looking for an all-in-one solution like higgsfield, whether you've been wanting to create cinematic videos as a creative outlet or wanting to create marketing content for clients or for your own products for that matter, using AI video generation is a very cost-efficient method to be able to accomplish those things. I thank you for the time that you have spent with me today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.